日本真出名的动画《宫崎骏的新温少女》，内底水顶火车的场景是真侪铁道迷心内梦想的路线。伫泰国有一条水顶的铁骑路，这只火车每一年营运敢若有3个月的时间，而且是敢若拜六礼拜才有，生理是下叫。
长长的铁道列车将梦幻穿过泰国上大水库巴沙村拉西水坝，画面看起来就亲像是日本动画电影《新婚少女》内底出现的水上火车的场景同款。泰国国铁编号911的漂浮列车，测试也就是今年营运季开始的头一天，轻几百人，透早6点就赶到万国车站上车。3点半钟的车程，沿路穿过荷花池、樟林、庙寺，也有稻田。半路到大城了后，还有翻下爬起的火车卖棉花糖、猪肉饭食的在地小吃。到巴沙村拉西水坝高架桥，一直只停20分钟，或者乘客落车进行打卡，也有翕相。
让我觉得很壮观，对，就是我没有体验过，就是那种可以站在火车上，然后还可以什么对着火车来拍那个整个就是大坝的美景那种感觉，所以我觉得很震撼。
And during the cool season, which is the end of the rainy season, the water is at the very highest level. So when you cross the reservoir on both sides of the train, you will see water. That gives the impression of a floating train. So it's quite unique and it's quite exciting to actually have that experience because it's like going across the sea.
今年大部分的时间，火车站高架桥下骹拢是牛群咧食草。暗过10月到1月这段时间，水位涨起来，看起来列车就亲像伫水面咧驶共款。英国的旅游部落客指出，这条水上火车路线目前只有泰语的宣传物，也无英文版，所以也无伤过侪外国游客知影。暗过独特景色加上英文时间较短，往往车票一开始卖，本地游客就抢破头路。
I think in Europe and America and certainly Japan, there is a rail culture and people want to travel by train as part of the holiday. But the problem is in Thailand, all the trips like this one today is only publicised in the Thai language. There's nothing in English at all. And the same with the steam excursion that goes 6 times a year. There's nothing in English. So it's kind of a missed opportunity.
花火里水上火车车厢分做无空调车厢、有空调车厢加 VIP 碰椅座车厢。万国的冬天高温也有30度。旅游专家建议，为要较舒适，上好是买空调车厢的位，才袂伤过热。公司新闻王慧文报道。